Everyone, I'm Dr. Niharikajha and I'm a dermatologist by profession. Today I'm making this video to educate you about who is a dermatologist, what kind of problems a dermatologist deals with, how will you identify whether the person who is treating you for your dermatological problem is a qualified one or not. Also, why is it so important to show your dermatological problems only to a dermatologist? First, let's talk about who is a dermatologist. Dermatologist is a doctor who has been specially trained to diagnose and treat problems related with skin, hair, nail. Apart from this, we also deal with sexually transmitted diseases and leprosy. Many of us are also trained in doing cosmetology procedures as well. What are the common cases a dermatologist usually sees in his or her OPD? Itching, rash of any kind, fungal infections, eczema, psoriasis, acne, hyperpigmentation or depigmentation in which white colored patches can be seen on the body of the patient, a hair related disorder which includes hair fall, then nail related disorders. Apart from this, we also deal with sexually transmitted diseases and leprosy in which the patient develops anesthetic or hypoaesthetic patches on various parts of the body. Many of us are also trained in doing a lot of cosmetology procedures as well, which include peels, lasers, fillers, botox, basically any kind of lesion which is present on the skin which can be seen or can be palpated. It is seen by a dermatologist and you need to go to a dermatologist. Now the question arises that if you have gone to an allopathic doctor for your treatment, how will you identify whether that person is a doctor or not, and whether is he qualified enough to deal with your dermatological problems or not? So a dermatologist has done MBBS like any other doctor, and after completing MBBS, MD dermatology or DNB dermatology, which is a 3-year course, or diploma of 2-year like DDV, DVD or DDVL is a must. If they do not have these degrees, mind you, I'm talking about allopathic doctors. If they do not have these degrees, then they are not qualified enough to deal with your dermatological problems. Why is it so important to go to a dermatologist only for your skin, hair and nail related problems? Well, in India, unfortunately, quackery is still very much prevalent and most of the medications are easily available over the counter. In today's era, many patients, they are already aware of other branches. Like if you have an eye-related problem, you will go to an ophthalmologist. Or if you have a problem in your throat, you will go to an ENT doctor. But even in today's era, people take their skin very lightly. They think that it's just a rash, it's just itching. Any cream can be applied over it. Well, it is not like that. It is the largest organ of the body and it cannot be neglected, and nothing can be applied over the skin without proper knowledge. So make sure you go to a proper qualified dermatologist only for these problems. If you go to an unqualified person for the same, the very first step, that is the diagnosis of the disease, can be wrong. And if the diagnosis is wrong, the treatment cannot be correct. Also, the dose and the duration of certain medicines is very important. Because of incorrect dosage, because of the incorrect information, the patient will have to suffer the consequences of their incomplete knowledge. So be smart, do not go to any person or do not contact your relative or chemist for any of your skin problems. Please directly go to a dermatologist. I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you for watching this video.